about times of war or crisis in the United States are not a good time for freedom of expression. World War I was a dreadful time for freedom of expression. If you had a German name, you would be discriminated against. Yellow paint would be thrown on your house. If you spoke the German language, as many did, especially in the upper Midwest, Wisconsin and so on, you'd be regarded with great suspicion. During World War I, Congress in 1917 passed the Espionage Act to, among other things, to stop interference with recruitment for the military services. Also passed the next year a sedition amendment to say you can't criticize the flag, the officers, the uniforms of the military service, and things like that. Based on that, some cases reached the Supreme Court and led to, in a case known as Schenck versus United States in 1919, led to a kind of a rewriting of the Constitution. Some fellow had been campaigning against the draft, or conscription as it was then called, and there wasn't no showing that he'd had any effect, but this violated the Espionage Act, and they sent Mr. Schenck and some of his fellow socialists to jail for doing that. And in so doing, Justice Holmes rewrote the First Amendment, which says Congress shall make no law, ... abridging freedom of the press. Justice Holmes said that Congress can make a law if there's a clear and present danger. So, and in times of war hysteria or other tensions in society, people are scared, and what was a clear and present danger in 1919 or 1918 is what's laughable today. And this is always true when there's a time of tension or war hysteria. Civil liberties get squelched.